are the first people to try out this trail. It's very exciting. Getting government, transportation professionals, and community advocates together is no small feat. But here is proof today that people can come together to unite and help make bicycle transportation safe by creating more bicycle lanes. Today we are very excited to celebrate one of Fairfax Alliance for Better Bicycling organization's effort, the opening up of a new commuter bicycle lane that runs along a highway in the Washington, D.C. area. All over the United States, we need more bike lanes. So how would one person do that?
Well, it's hard. That's why it takes a community to do it. It takes folks in bike clubs and other places to work with their local communities.
I would say your elected officials or work with a lot of organizations such as yours that advocate for better bicycling, and they were very engaged in our planning process. They attended our meetings. So when we had public information meetings about the 66 project, people came from those organizations to let us know how important having a trail like this is to the community.
I am the Springfield District Supervisor on the Board of Supervisors, so I was one of the people that helped get the 66 project going in the first place.
So get involved with your government, elected officials.
Paris has done a fantastic job converting from a kind of a car-dominated area to a really good bike-friendly place, and it was because of their political leadership. Said, we're going to do this. It's going to help fight climate change. It's going to help people get healthy. And there's so many benefits.
So excited to finally have this day happen. It's been a long time coming.
We're going to count to 3. All right, everybody ready? 3, 2, 1.
You have a voice to help ensure that future highway and roadway projects include bicycle lanes that are accessible and connected and safe. And we like that. Hope to see you right.